Take two. You gotta turn on your remote microphones, man. Okay, up here on display, up high, that's my 1983 Specialized stump jumper. For those of y'all that weren't even born back then, mountain biking started basically around 1980. People started putting fatter tubes and tires on road bikes to get off-road. Before then, there really wasn't shit available. And what they would do would be fat tires, not even fat tires by today's standards, what are these? But tires are this fat. What they did do for mountain bikes was they put stronger gussets at the mounting points because the frames would tweak and break and stuff. They found that out right away. And Greg Wallace was asking about these. These were the old bear trap pedals. Big, and they're literally 1/2 of a bear trap. Shit's changed now where they're using screws through the pedals like on the Chesters. That was my first mountain bike. I still have it. It's got sealed bearings. Everything has sealed bearings today. But back then you had to pay up for it. A lot of extras, and technology's changed. You got carbon fiber. I just wanted to show you that. But today we got new Shinko 244s for the front tire. So let's get on it. Man, my right knee is hurting. That's why it's very important to use the JUICED Bikes complimentary knee pads that came with the shipping parts for your bike. Okay, Shinko 244s, 3.5 wide, 4 wide, but when you put them next to each other like this, you really can't tell there's a difference. The width on these is just bogus because for you to use any of that side tread there, you're gonna be at such an extreme angle. I've wiped out, can't say hundreds of times, but many times. And I got a compilation video that I'm putting together for that if I wipe out any more. But when you lean this over too much, it slides out. These tires are crap. All right, so let's get on this. Look at that. First time. I am getting good at eyeballing socket sizes. This is going to be the tough part. This is the part I am not looking forward to. Drain the air out of my new tube. Get you a protective something for down here, just so you don't bash up the hubs or your rotor or the rim. I have gotten a mixture of Palmolive because it's mild on your hands, and hot water and a detailing brush, paintbrush, to paint down the rims. I don't know if this is going to work the same way as a mountain bike tire. So here is what I'm thinking. And if you've ever watched your discount tire guys, they do this too. Lube that up, lube that up, and then there, I got the first side on. It just pushes on. That really was easy. Now I'm wondering, did I even need tire irons? I almost got the other side on. I need to take it off so I get my tube in there. Get my tube orientated that way. So I'm in one way. This ain't gonna be so tough. Who needs tire irons when you got lube? That's what she said. All right, so there's a little washer. I'm gonna leave that on because I know that needs to stay there. Okay, I got that in. Now, just so I don't lose it, I'm gonna put one of those nuts on there. Okay, now comes the tough part. And I'm just wondering, if we lube this up real good. Got to get it on the inside, get it on the outside. Look at all that soapy lube. If we can just force that, get the bead started. See, wrap it around like that, like that. It's this last bit right here. And you know what? I did not need to buy tire irons. Bitch. Look at that. That was easy. I don't know why everybody says it's such a bitch. Let's get the air compressor and let's seat the bead. Okay, now I'm over 20. That's good enough for government work. There we go. Man, we're good. Our tire's on. Let's get this back together. Now it's just a matter of tightening this back up. That can't be right. I guess it can be right. Okay, now here's what I'm going to do next. I'm going to sit back and look at that and go, man, that looks good. That does not look narrower and the back tire. That actually looks the same. I like that look. I like that. We're going old school. I know you millennials aren't going to have one of these. Oh, they make battery powered ones. Okay, I'm at 25 pounds. Good enough. I got to go for a ride. It's not even 8 o'clock. That does look good. That's the look I am looking for. And I gotta tell you, just rolling it out of the garage, I could feel every one of those knobs as it went across like that. So I was feeling it in the garage. So I know these are gonna hum going down the road. So let's go for a ride. Interesting. I like it. Fuck me. God damn it. All right. Here's another comparison. Front tire, Shinko 244. Back tire, shredding. Doesn't even look like a tire compared to that. But man, I gotta rethink my YouTube shit. Or I need to rethink my expensive photography habit, because as I'm coming back into the garage, I bumped my tripod and my $2,000 lens goes barreling to the ground. Pissed me off. It's so much not worth this fucking $100 a month of YouTube revenue to be doing all this shit. Fuck. But man, that does look good. That does look good. We might just be GoProing it for the rest of my life. All right, man. Give me a thumbs up. See ya.